To enable and use air command with the S Pen button on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Next, tap S Pen, tap air command, and then tap the gray on off switch next to open air command with pen button until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, go to any screen and then remove your S Pen. Now hover your S Pen over the screen and press the pen button to easily open the air command menu. Given to the function, you can enable this feature to quickly access essential S Pen tool at the press of a button. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.